Guess who's excited to be going for NYSC camp? Me. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm the CEO, and if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on that video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming through. Like, you guys, love that you all show me on my channel is so much. Like, I can't even begin to quantify it. Like, I'm really so grateful. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the package that I got from this particular person that I ordered NYSC stuff from. So my friend, I was looking for a place where I can just order from and not just go to the market because girls be lazy. But yeah, so my friend recommended this person to me. I already got my package. I have looked through it, but like I haven't taken a look at it. Does that make sense? So yes, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I ordered for NYSC, and I'm also going to be telling you guys things that you need to get for your NYSC camp so you can be ready. So yeah, FYI, this is a part 1 to getting ready for NYSC video because I have not finished getting everything that I need. I still need to get like provisions, beverages to take to camp, and I still need to do my hair. You know, I think there's still a lot of things I need to do for camp, which is why this is going to be part 1. But however, I'm so excited because I feel like I'm going to be vlogging my camp chronicles. I've officially named NYSC camp videos camp chronicles, so you guys should stay tuned for all my camp chronicles. Okay, so I have a new package. Yes, it contains all the stuff that I ordered. So let's open it first. The first thing that I got from him is I got this white t-shirt from him for how much did I get it for? Okay, I got this white t-shirt. It's a 3-in-1 pack of t-shirts, but instead of round neck he gave me a v-neck, but then I heard that it's not actually a problem in camp, so just going to go with it. But I think when you want to order from him, I'm going to leave his number in the description box. When you want to order from him, please strictly specify that you want a round neck. So I got this for 2,000 naira. Yes, he has different qualities. I got this 3-in-1 pack for 2,000 naira. The next thing on my list is mosquito nets. I can't go to camp healthy and come back looking like, I don't know, broomstick. So yes, I got mosquito nets to prevent us from mosquitoes. Then I ordered white sneakers from him. So I don't know whether you actually use the white sneakers in camp. According to what I've heard, you don't really use it like that. But I just said to order it, so like I'm just like, because I feel like I'll still use it later on. So I got this for 2,500, guys. So moving on, I ordered bedroom slippers. I feel like he just wanted everything to match because how come my bedroom slippers match my NYSC kit? I mean, green and white. But anyways, it's good. At least I will not be off. I did not choose the green and white though, guys. I got my bedroom slippers for 500 naira. Then pegs, clothes pegs, so that our clothes will not be falling down. I got it for 500 naira as well. And the next thing I got is torchlight. I got this torchlight for 700. Now I don't know if this torchlight is rechargeable or is what's the one after rechargeable? It uses battery. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Like, I have checked and there's no place I can even see to charge or to use the battery. But we move. I got this for 700. Then next is my waist bag. See, me, I don't like this waist bag, to be honest. Let's be honest with ourselves. But since I'm not going to be using it for a very long time, I specifically ordered black. Or you got me this, but like I'm not mad about it because there's no fancy in camp. This camp we're going to do a lot shako. We're not going to have a do shakara, so anything goes. So the next thing I see here is socks. Oh, I got the waist bag for 900k. 900 anymore. Yes, I got the waist bag for 900. This socks, 3 pairs for 300. Like this whole pack like this is 300 naira. Then the next thing that I got is white cardigan. Now the thing is, I wasn't privileged to choose the style of clothes that I want, so I would just tell him I want shorts, I want shirts, and he would give me. But I knew that they were all of good quality, which is why I wasn't really for that. But however, I got this white cardigan. I still have to wash this cardigan, to be honest. But yeah, I don't know why it has flowers. The next thing is I got the cardigan for 25, and next thing is my file and ID holder. The ID holder is inside. I got this for 300 naira. Hanky, one is 100 naira, so I got 400 naira. And the next thing I got is my rubber tennis. Although they did say that they will give us income, but like I just wanted to get one extra pair just in case what they give us is not of good quality, or just in case I don't like what they give us, you get. So got this. This is for 900 naira. Then I got my water bottle. This water bottle is so portable, guys. Water bottle, I got it for 700 naira from him, which is, I think it's reasonable. Then I got the towel. You guys, we have to be hygienic in camp because you don't know who you're going to meet and what you're going to see. So prevention is better than cure. I got this for how much did I get it? 1,000 naira. I don't know how much they sell this in the market. I don't know if the guy ripped me off or if the prices are reasonable. Like got this for 1K. Then remaining shorts. So I ordered for 3 pairs of shorts, and let me show you guys what I got. So the first thing so I got this. I specifically asked for elastic because I mean, you know why? I don't want to have to buy shorts and I don't want to buy shorts and regret buying the shorts. You get? I don't want it to be too small, too big, so I just got the elastic. So yes, I got the one that has elastic. This is one. Then this one is oh my god, I feel like this is the kind of short that they will give us in camp. But yeah, I got this one as well. You guys don't worry. This is looking as if this is my actual waist. But don't worry guys, this is not actually my actual. What? Who is going to wear this? Am I like a bag of rice? I'm not a bag of rice, please, let's be honest. What? So yeah, I got this 3 shorts, 600 naira each, which is 118. Yes, 3 of them is 18. Yeah, and that is all I got from my NYSC contacts. That's it for it. The name of his brand is whitextra, so I'm going. The total of everything that I got was 18,600. Yes, I think he even gave me a discount. I'm not sure. I wasn't ready to do the math, so yeah. So I paid 18,600 naira for everything that I got here today, and I still have to get a few things. That being said, I'll take you guys on that process. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've also gotten your NYSC things, if you're ready for NYSC as well. Don't forget to click, comment, share, and subscribe. The guy that I got my things from, I'll leave his number in the description box below just in case you want to order as well. He does nationwide delivery and he's quite fast. Like, he delivered my stuff in 2 days. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. I love you all.